You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from science. If you want to learn more names from science, biology, medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Chelating is the more common pronunciation in English. Chelating agents. However, the pronunciation as chelating is also correct and referenced in some dictionaries and scientific publications. So chelating, if you've heard it, somebody say it that way, it's also correct. But if you go with chelating agents, you're probably a bit safer because more people pronounce it that way. But at least now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.